for Daddy. Wow! Ooh, I wonder what's inside. It's a treasure map. Well, part of a treasure map. See this X? This means the next piece of the map is at the park.
A piece of a treasure map? Nice! I'll let Mila and Morphle find the rest of the map, then take it for myself. Good thinking, Winston.
This is where the X is. We have to dig next to that tree. Great digging, Morphle. Yeah, it's the second piece of the map. Look, another X. This one's up the mountain.
Up on the mountain?
Come on, Morphle.
Whoa!
This is where the second X should be. Morphle! I know! Morph into a Triceratops and smash it!
Uh-oh!
Woohoo! Look, Morphle! It's the last piece of the map!
Treasure!
And I think I know where it's buried.
Oh, take that. Thank you very much.
Winston! Don't worry, Morphle. This isn't over yet.
This is where the treasure must be.
The treasure is at the beach.
I'm almost there. Aha! Treasure, here I come!
Woohoo! Come on, Morphle. This is it, Morphle. Morphle, morph into an excavator and let's get that treasure. Keep digging, Morphle. We're so close. Ooh, could it be? Ooh, a treasure chest. Wow. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet and a chest full of treasure. I'm so excited about our science project. Ooh, you know what would make it even better? Huh? Come on! Professor Pala, can we please borrow your time portal to get the one last thing we need for our science project?
Sure. I love seeing kids so interested in science. Be safe.
Okay, we need something that will make our diorama look perfect.
Huh? How about a rock?
That's perfect, Jordy. Morphle, morph into a truck that can carry it home with us.
Okay, Mila.
Woohoo! Yeah! Now let's get to the science fair. Huh? A T-Rex? There's only one thing that can stop a T-Rex. An even bigger T-Rex.
Morph, morph, morph!
Yes! I know! Morphle, morph into a tiny T-Rex. It might think you're its baby.
T-Rex followed us. We accidentally took one of her eggs. Sorry, Mrs. T-Rex.
That gives me an idea. Morphle, see if the baby dinosaur will follow you back to the portal.
Okay.
Go, Morphle! Bye! Yeah, we did it!
Quick, to the science fair.
Welcome to our prehistoric jungle.
Oh, I love it.
Yay! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
2 birds.
Ooh, 2 butterflies.
Yay!
Oh, your turn, Morphle.
Huh? 2 kids!
Good job, Morphle. Your turn, Jordy.
1 Morphle.
Yeah, there's only 1 Morphle because you're so special.
Yeah, you're awesome.
1 Morphle.
Wait, I know what might help you feel better.
Huh?
Come on. Maybe there are other Morphles. This is Daddy's special book about the Magic Pet World.
The Magic Pet World.
All magic pets come from here.
Morphle too?
Yeah, Morphle. It's a magical place called Kaleido.
It says, when a magic pet is needed in our world, a pet portal will appear.
Oh, you must have come through one to join our family.
Yeah!
I wonder how you open a pet portal.
Whoa! Wait, I've seen that star before. Let's go!
Where are we going?
The star in here looks like the one on the Magic Pet Center.
You're right.
Morphle, can we get a closer look?
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Whoa!
What? What's happening?
I don't know! Wow! Whoa!
Are those...
Baby Morphles?
Oh, they're so cute! Oh, let's follow them! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yeah!
We're babies!
Up there!
Let's go!
The babies are up on that roof!
Uh-oh!
Morphle, I need to have a better look. Good thinking, Morphle. Woohoo! Whee! Aw, they're so cute! Look! Oh no! Stay away from the edge! Morphle, get us up there quick, but don't scare them.
Okay!
Oh, they are really excited to meet you, Morphle.
Hello, babies!
Look out!
Morphle said babies!
Cuteness overload. Great work, Morphle. I want to be like you, Morphle. Look, morphing makes them tired. Catch those babies!
Here you go, one ice cream.
Aw, cute! It looks like the baby Morphles can only morph once before they have to rest. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Oh, woohoo! Yes! Let's take them to the Magic Pet Center. Daddy will know what to do.
Oh, real baby Morphles? This is incredible! I wonder what their names are.
Lily.
Oh, that must be their names. Nice to meet you, Moe, Fifi, and Lily. How would you like to live with us?
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. And 3 magic babies. Morphle, this flower is going to make our garden even more beautiful. What's that, Professor Paula?
It's my new invention, the multicolor cloner. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Morphle? Oh, no!
Uh-oh. Quick, Morphle! After them! We've got to do something. A vacuum cleaner? Good thinking, Morphle. Ugh, we need a better plan. Did you hear that, Morphle? Quick!
Mila, Morphle, help!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll help you. I know. Let them eat cake. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Okay, Mila.
There's lots of cake in here. Ha-ha! Trap them!
No cake! Ice cream!
Well, this didn't work either.
Ice cream! Orphles want ice cream!
Yes! That's how we'll catch them. Morph into a giant ice cream with legs. Orphles, come get some ice cream.
Ice cream!
Morphle, run!
Oh, look, ice cream!
Woohoo! It's working! Keep running, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! The clones have gone.
Well done, Mila and Morphle.
Orphles.
Ice cream! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. I'm a little baby. I'm really sleepy.
Baby.
Where's my bed? Thank you, Animi.
Baby snoring.
Hey guys, meet our new magic pet, Inkra.
Hi!
I'm sure you'll make her feel right at home. See you later.
What powers do you have, Inkra? Wow, your power is so cool.
Wow.
Whoa! A giant baby doll on the loose! Follow me, everybody!
Whoa!
There it is! I need you to shrink the doll, and I need you to zap it! Morphle, we need to get out of here fast! That doll really needs some babysitting. Whoa! Watch out! That's not the kind of babysitting I meant. The baby doll thinks they're dolls too. Inkra, Animi, hang on. We'll save you. Somehow.
Morphle, help!
Yeah! Awesome! Inkra, Animi, use your powers at the same time to zap the doll back to normal. Ready? Now! Hang on!
Gotcha!
Yeah! Inkra, Animi, your powers are really awesome.
Too awesome.
Yeah, we'll have to be really careful with them from now on.
So, did I miss anything while I was gone?
We were just playing with my doll.
Mm-hmm. Looks like you had a big day.
Ready, Morphle? Ready! Whoa!
Mila Morphle, meet my new improved partner, Robofreeze 2.0.
Hello, citizens.
Officer Freeze? Didn't Robofreeze turn evil last time?
Yes, but now I've got a remote control unit that will switch him off if he turns evil again, which he won't. Oh no, he's turned evil again.
Citizens of Petport, prepare to be arrested.
Officer Freeze, use the remote control and switch him off.
I don't have it. Perhaps I left it at the cafe.
Let's go! Take cover!
You're under arrest for eating cakes.
But we actually paid for them.
Let's get the remote control.
Halt, citizens. Where are you going? You're under arrest for going to a cafe.
Officer Freeze, grab the remote and we'll distract him. Woo, you can't catch us.
Hey, let me out.
a permit to fly.
Faster, Morphle! Morphle, hide! Phew! Let's get back to Officer Freeze!
Let me out! Let me out!
Activate new upgrade. Ha ha ha.
Oh, why did I install that force field maker?
You're under arrest for trying to break into a cafe.
Morphle, morph into a flying robot! Morphle, aim the lasers at the force field! Yes!
No!
Mila, catch!
Hang on, Morphle!
Now, Mila! Great work, you two. Next time, we'll make sure you don't turn evil. Maybe there won't be a next time.
Morphle, the robots we built are awesome.
Morphle love robots.
I can control them with my tablet, see? I am Mila Bot.
Morphle bot.
So cool!
Oh, this ladder's too short. A little help, please, Incra? Thanks, Incra.
Wow!
Daddy! Look at our new robots!
Greetings, Mila's father. Beeper, beeper.
Wow, they're fantastic. Oh, I forgot my toolbox.
Morphle help.
Ah, thanks.
Now I can take control of these robots.
What is your bidding, master?
Oh, this is going to be so much fun! Gotcha!
Huh?
Our robots got ginormous! What to do? I'll fix this with my tablet. Huh? It's gone!
Mila, look!
Winston! He's controlling the robots with my tablet!
Lift off!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The robots are flying away with the Magic Pet Center!
Now I have all the magic pets! Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha!
Mila! Morphle! Help!
Morphle, morph into a flying fire truck!
Okay, Mila.
A flying fire truck? What do you plan to do with that thing?
Now, Morphle!
Oh, that.
Need help here, guys!
We're coming for you, Daddy! Hang on, Morphle! Incra, shrink it!
Thanks, Morphle. Mila, down here.
Daddy! Incra, please turn everything back to normal. We did it!
Where Winston?
Get me down from here, you robots! I command you! Ah! I'm okay.
Oh, Winston. There. It's okay, baby Morphles. Morphle, can you morph into something to cheer these babies up? Oh, you're the cutest thing ever, Morphle.
Hello, babies!
What are we going to do?
Why don't you take the babies outside for some fresh air?
Good idea, Daddy. Well, that didn't work. Any ideas, Morphle? Yes! A bumper car ride always cheers me up. Bumper babies! Whee! Isn't this fun? Huh? Look! Ice cream! That'll stop the babies crying. Drodo, can we have 3 ice creams super fast, please?
3 ice creams coming right up. Here's some ice cream for the babies.
Thanks, Drodo.
Ciao.
Listen, Morphle, they've stopped crying. We have to catch them! Let's go! There they are! Faster, Morphle! Almost! Yes! It's okay. I've got you. That was close. This is fun.
Baby's okay?
Well, if that didn't cheer these cranky babies up, I don't know what will. I wish you could just tell us what's wrong. Morphle, do you hear that? No crying now that Giggle Buddy's free. Giggle Buddy's powers are just so funny. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Hey! Winston!
Check out my new car.
Winston! That's not... A new magic pet?
It's gonna be my magic pet. Eat my dust.
We have to get that pet before Winston! Yeah! Let's go! Come on,
Huh? This will slow you down.
Faster, Morphle! We're gaining on him!
I'm gonna get a magic pet. Huh? Let's see how you cope with slime.
Morphle! Morph into a kite buggy!
Morphle,
Once you're mine, we rule Petport with my cleverness and your powers. Huh? You can teleport.
There she is! Aw, hello!
Give her to me.
Quick! Let's get back to Daddy!
I'm gonna get you.
We're almost home!
we're stuck!
Great work, Morphle! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, hello. Who are you?
That pet's mine!
Sorry, Winston. You can only have a magic pet if you're their magic match.
Ugh, I give up. This time...
Aww, every day's a magical day with a new magic pet.